Okay. So today I will be taking your English grammar. Okay. And the chapter I will be taking today, that is you can see the short forms, chapter number 22, short forms. That's what I have done in your offline YouTube classes. Rija, I am fine dear. How are all of you? Upasa, page number 59. Short forms, page number 59. From your grammar book. That's what I have done in your offline YouTube classes, and today I am doing again, and I want answers from all of you. Okay, so let's start. You can see short forms, how we will write short forms. Like you can see in page number 59, the yellow colored box, that how I am is written. Yes, written, it is already written in book, that how you will write I am as in short form, just like this, or he is like this. Just you will write these letters, and you will make it, you will omit these letters, and that's how we will make it as short forms. You can see in the yellow colored box they are given clearly, and I have also let you know in your offline classes. Okay, and now let's continue with the exercises, and you will try to tell me the answers. Okay. B part, number 1, you can see it is done. Number and number 2 is already done. He is my uncle, I am his niece. So you can see how the sentence is written. He is, I am, in a full sentence. I will just write the answers here, and you will, all of you will write in full sentence. Okay, if you have done this in your book, okay Snigdha, then do this in your copy, and if whoever have not done in their book, do that in your book. Okay, I will just write the answers from. So number 1 and 2 is already done, so I will do from number 3. Okay, number 3. So here she is crying because she is scared of dogs. So we will write she is like this, and she is scared of dogs again like this, isn't it? So this is how we will make it in short form. Number 4. Our team has won the match. We are so happy. So we are will be written as like this, isn't it? We are will be written as the short form like this. Okay, clear? And please try to tell me the answers, all of you. Number 5, we will not buy this car. So we will written as in the short form. How we will write it? We will not buy this car. Yes, Pratushna. So we will write as like this. We will, yes, we will not buy this car. It is too small for our family. So it is will be written as in the short form. It is, let me know. It is will be, yes, it's, Shujan. It's, right, like this. Number 6. Yes. Number 6, they have beautiful rose plant in their lawn. They are very fond of flowers. Yes, so they are very fond of flowers. So they are, how we will write? They are in the short form. Let me know. Yes, yes, Shaptorshi, Pratushna, right? Shujan, yes, they are will be written as like this. They are like this. Okay. So up to this completed. Will I erase the board? Yes, Reza. Good. They are. So up to this completed. Number 7 and 8 I will write. So will I erase the board? Number 7. I am going to school now. Okay, you have done, Pratyushna. Yes, right. I am will be like this. I am going to school now. I will come to your house in the evening. I will write. Pratyushna, Shujan, right. I will be like this. I will come to your house in the evening. Number 8. Number 8. He is getting wet in the rain. Yes, he is getting wet in the rain. He will catch. So he is will be like this. He is getting wet in the rain and he will catch a cold. He will be like, yes, he will be like this. Isn't it? Yes, he will be like this. Right, Nihan, Pratyushna, okay, Shomagni, right, Shudeshna, okay. Yeah, good. So B part completed and come to the C part. You can see again there are some short forms are given with the word not. How we will write the short forms of the word not. So let's see. You can see that is not like isn't, are not like aren't. Okay, so I will let you know. So will I erase the board? All of you have done. I'm erasing the board, okay? Yeah. Yes, so you can see is not, page number 61. Is not can be written as isn't. Here O will be omitted. O, yes, O will not be there. Are not will be like aren't. So here O will not be there, and this is how the series goes. And you can see in the yellow colored box very well that how the short forms are made. And all of you in page number 59 yellow colored box and page number 61 yellow colored box, go through these boxes very well. In these boxes there are given neatly and clearly, you can understand it. Okay, so go through the yellow colored boxes very well. Okay, let's do the exercises. Let's start. Okay, D part number 1. I will again write the answers only. All of you will write it in your full sentence. Okay. Anju does not like tea or coffee. Does not will be doesn't. Yes. Doesn't. Number 2. She is just a kid. She cannot jump very high. Right. All of you. Shujan, Shapturshi, Shomagni. Right. It will be, 'can't'. 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 'Can't Number 3. Pawan did not eat anything. He did not like the food. So again it will be didn't. Yes. Both. Didn't eat anything. He didn't like the food. Again. Right? Number 4. My parents are not at home now. They will come back after 6 in the evening. Yes, aren't. Very good. Very good. Aren't. Number 5. Right, all of you I can see giving right answers. Very good. Number 5. It is very hot today. Do not go out. Yes, don't. Don't. Very good. Number 6. I promise I will not fight with Shuchi. So here will not will be the short form will be a bit different. Like how? Yes, it will be won't. It will not be like willn't. It will not be like that. It will be won't. This is something different, a bit different. So you will try to remember this. Okay. So will not will be won't. Number 7. The teacher is not happy with your writing. The teacher is not, it will be isn't. Yes, very good. Isn't. And you do not write neatly. Yes, right. Don't. Right, isn't and don't. And okay, I am erasing the left portion. Eighth number. Karan and Neha are not present today. Yes, Nihan, Shujan, Shaptarshi, Upasya, right. It will be aren't. Again aren't. Aren't present today. Number 9. My books were not in my bag. Yes, weren't. Weren't. W-E-R-E. So, weren't. Right? Weren't. My books weren't in my bag. Right. And number 10. You should not eat too many toffees. Should not eat too many toffees. It will be shouldn't. Yes, right. Very good. Shouldn't. Right? You shouldn't eat too many toffees. Okay? Right? So this is how the chapter is done. And all of you practice very well these at your home. Now I will take your present. All of you give your present. Okay, let me just take the present, then I will tell. Nihan Pratushna. Okay, I have taken you present and I am discussing the syllabus again. And all of you please go through the e-portal. Okay, I will also provide these in your e-portal, and you can also go through Mohua ma'am's e-portal. That is everything is done over there. I will also provide this in my e-portal. Go through that. Okay, also. Okay, I am telling here about the grammar syllabus of term 2, that is okay, I have taken all of your present. Okay, of term 2 your chapter will be chapter number 18, that is had, chapter number 18, chapter 19, chapter 20, chapter 21, chapter 22, chapter 23, chapter 24, chapter 25. Okay, so chapter number from 18 to 25 all the chapters will be there, and in chapter number 28, that is composition, also will be there. Okay, so chapter number 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and chapter number 28. All these chapters will be in your term 2. Okay, and also all of you go through the e-portal of Mohua ma'am and me also. Okay, I will provide these in your e-portal. Chapter 14 is in your PT2. So also you know that PT2 syllabuses are included. Chapter number 14, 15, 16, 17, all the 4 chapters are PT2, and you know that PT2 syllabus is also included in your term 2. Okay, and also I am telling you, yes, chapter number 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 28. Okay, and I am telling you about the marigold syllabus also. Just 1 minute, I am telling you. In your marigold, the syllabus is on my blackboard I can draw. On my blackboard I can draw. Make it shorter, and then the magic porridge pot, then strange talk, then the grasshopper and the ant. Okay, so these chapters I am repeating again. Term 2 syllabus first. On my blackboard I can draw. Make it shorter, the magic porridge pot, strange talk and the grasshopper and the ant. Okay, these will be in your syllabus. These are in your syllabus. Okay, so I have told you, and all of you also can go through the e-portal. Okay, right. So today is up to this. All of you practice these chapters very well at your home. Okay, all the chapters are done, and all of you, I am repeating, I will take revisions. All of you practice these very well at your home. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.